What's up, YouTube? Big Dog Dave here. We got a one package mail day and some other stuff. Um, it's already open. I filmed a video earlier. It came out super shitty. So I was like, you know what? We're just going to do it again and we're going to do it good. So we got one package from our friend Curtis at Mystery Pop Theater. But I do have a few other things to show off that I got in the mail separately, just envelopes, some stickers. But from Mystery Pop Theater, on the box was this Batman logo, this Batman sticker logo. So I peeled it off because it was on the tape, and I put it on my iPad case. It's not my sticker board, but this is where I will put some stuff, and why not, right? Because I can. You can't stop me. No one can. That's probably not true, but so inside the box there wasn't a note, but there was some extra stuff, and I knew the pop that was coming, and I knew it was damaged, and it will be an out of box pop. I'm just gonna wait till I got pops all over my office for no apparent reason, but they should all be at home. Inside there's also these super awesome cards. That's what they're called. They're called super awesome, and they're trading cards from 2010. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty cool. And we got the giant squid, taxidermy squirrels, gravy, ninjas. I call this the B Cobb collection of facial hair. So these are B Cobb goals, in my opinion. Beatniks. I have no idea what the hell is going on. Roadside attractions, which we have one in Jersey. We have an elephant down by the shore. Breakdancing. I'm not going to say that right, but Moe statues. So thank you, Curtis, for those cards. And we also got a little, it's from Kellogg's. It's some kind of little Spider-Man stand, like you pop it out and you stand it up. So that's pretty cool. I know my son would like that. And then the pop, mind you, the box is beat up, but that's fine because it's going to come out of box, is Armored Batman Unmasked. So I'm going to need this if I don't have this already in box. But right now, he could come out. I'll do it now, but I'll just wait till I get home, probably. So thank you, Curtis, for that. And then some other stuff that we got in the mail this week, or last week, or whenever it was, probably last week. And then there was another sticker in the box. I almost forgot last time, or I did forget last time, and I found it afterwards. It's the greatest fucking sticker ever. I just want to hold this up every time I do a video. If I don't like a comment, I don't like a pop. It's a great sticker. I want to put it in my car, but it's a little small. Just go all day with that. Sit out live. Bing, bing. And then we got stickers from other people. Josh sent me a couple or 3 stickers. I brought one with me for my sticker board, which I don't know where I put it right now. So I gotta find that. I really hope I didn't throw that in the recycling bin. Because that's something I would do. I think I threw a paper away with credit card information that I needed, but I'll find it eventually. Then we got one from Pop and Son. So go check out Pop and Son. Go check out Curtis. Go check out Funkaholic Josh. Go check out B Cobb. Go check out Pop in Hand. Go check out Boondock Pops. Go check out everybody. Just throwing names out there for the hell of it right now. Yeah, but now that we do, am I taping? Yeah, I am. Okay, sometimes I can't see the numbers in the light, and I can't see that it's recording. And hopefully it's, yes, it's doing it at normal speed instead of that fast video that I did last time, or 20 times ago, or whatever it was at this point. Now I've been doing the lives for my box breaks, not box breaks, when we do the mystery box challenge thing. I don't have content, so I gotta try to come up with content. I might show off some pops that I've pulled. We'll get to that in a different video. Half of them go online right away almost. I haven't pulled anything that I actually want yet. But that is what it is. Someday, sometime in the distant future, maybe. Anyways, I'm rambling. I got my paycheck, which makes me a little happy. I got my coffee, which is Dunkin' Donuts, so it's not the best coffee, but it's coffee. It's caffeine. I'll have like 3 more today. Probably Wawa. So that's it for now. That's all I got to show. I may have deleted the video because it was too long or I didn't like how it was going. So I don't even know if I've ever shown this to you guys. I will have a little picture in there also. This thing is just fucking dope. It's still sealed. I got this super cheap. It's got some wear on the plastic, but that's fine. I would almost consider taking this out if it was scratched up more. But it looks super cool in the box. I love these things. If I give up Funko Pops, I will be collecting these because I love these things. Unfortunately, they're some are just the same price. It's just a matter of do I like them all or not. But we'll see. I'm not giving up Funko Pops yet. I probably won't. I don't know. It just is what it is right now. Got a lot going on. Got a lot of stuff to take care of this month. So, with that being said, we have a duel coming up at some point, or a 6-hole, or whatever the hell we call this at this point. I don't know how many people in it. And when that happens, and I don't know when that's going to happen. I'm not even telling you what box it is. I don't have to. Seven and a half minutes. Everything's done. So that's it. A little longer than normal for no apparent reason. That's it. I gotta get ready for holiday season. So have a good day. See you, YouTubers. And check out the people I talked about, and cards will be up top for other people, and maybe some links below. Go look at them. Why not? I mean, I've subbed a bunch of people recently, and a bunch of people have subbed me, and I appreciate all of you that have subbed me. I'm still trying to catch up on videos with everybody. I started watching The Sopranos again on HBO, so I'm really behind on a lot of stuff because I'm trying to get through The Sopranos. I'm on season 5, almost near the end of the season. This stupid shit I do. Later.